Dylan's back. Yo. This thing pops now. God, I'm deaf in one ear now. Holy shit.
That was louder than the Civic, I think.
Oh yeah, easily. Easily.
It like blew up my right ear.
Yeah, my right ear's done too. Alrighty, boys, we at the shop. Look at that. Chrome tint, fresh chrome tint on this FRS. It's pretty sweet. We've got the whole lineup today. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jesus, we only have 1, 2, 3 Evos. They outnumber us now. That's kind of scary. This paint is almost immaculate looking. Look at this tint though. It's so chromy. You can see my whole ass hand. That's crazy. Jeez, it's so reflective. Holy. That's fire. That is hella fire. Just got this Mustang exhaust installed on this V6 Mustang. Let's start her up and see how she sounds. It is a V6 Mustang, so it's probably not going to sound too great compared to the V8, but... Yeah, it sounds like a VQ. The V6 life. VQ life. Oh, a little pops. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, Connor, let's see it. Bottle flipping onto the rafter. Oh. Oh, not even close. Oh, go. Yo. Yo, we getting new hoodies? Hell yeah.
Oh, so it doesn't feed?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
So you have to put it on a sticky now.
Oh, okay, I was about to say,
Doing a little bit of weeding on these, I guess, sheets of vinyl with the plastic backing on them. Looking pretty fire. These are gonna be on the hoodies.
No?
We out here still weeding a little bit.
Fuck!
Oh, those pink Kingston ones, those are sweet.
Who the fuck?
I finally finished one. Look what it looks like on the outside. Ooh. Hey, yo, he poked me. Dad, help. All right, Alex putting in work here, getting everything cut out nice so that we can put them onto the back of the hoodies and then press them over there. That's gonna be sweet. Got all the hoodies and stuff in here. Look at that. Whole operation in the shop today. G-Wagon is leaving today as well as the FRS. That just got a chrome tint. G-Wagon has its full satin black wrap on now. It's got its powder-coated black wheels, which are looking fire. It's got smoked PPF on the front headlights. Bash bar has also been powder-coated black. And yeah, tint all around. It's looking real fire. Looking so good. Look at that. This car looks wonderful. Bruh. It's about to panini press these things on there. Panini. Making some sandwiches. That good? Ooh. Ooh. broken heart. How long?
15.
15 seconds.
This
Alright,
one's
see
illuminated
that?
on my side.
Really?
And now I'm there.
Too bad I can't post shit. Fucking I got people from work on there.
Yeah. What'd you do?
I was holding the back and I said, don't use that. Fucking.
Alrighty, the first one is here. You can see that we have a 1 of 1 with
Wow.
the off kilter
center.
tee. So
And the
this
off center
hoodie
design.
is actually for we are auctioning it off. So bidding starts at $15 if anybody wants to
15,000.
15 grand.
Yeah.
And there's the design for the rear. Ooh, this is good. This is good. And Panini, press that bitch.
Panini press that.
You know, we got the whole squad lined up. Dang, and Kobe's right there. That's wild. Ducktail gang? Ducktail gang. Kind of ducktail gang? No ducktail gang. What's up with you, man? Where's your ducktail?
I'm broke.
Customer for the G-Wagon is just showed up. Look at how sick this thing looks. Alright, we don't have ice cubes, but we're gonna try to cool it down with a can of Sprite.
It's actually working, Loki. You can see that it's like cooling it down.
That's good. That's kind of the intent there. Try that. Oh, yo. It worked.
Crazy.
All right, I've gotten most of the boys fitted. Just pressing my own right now. I gotta get the lines still and then press that on. Waiting for this to cool down a little bit using my Sprite can as a cooler right there. I think we need to switch Sprite cans. What do you think?
Nah, we'd be alright.
Oh, it's still good? Ruben with the cuts. Yo, look at how square these beaches are. God damn. Alex is putting in work right now, getting all these hoodies all done up for us. Big shout out to him. Carlo's here for a second. But I gotta dip out, so this will be the end of the video for today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys buy a hoodie if you guys want one. Make sure you DM Elevated Motorsport or Kingston Auto Styling on Instagram. Make sure you follow those guys as well. They're right here. Look at those co-owners. Chilling. We tired as fuck, but yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.